In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Lists within Microsoft Teams in 2023. This powerful feature that can help you organize information, track tasks, and collaborate with your team in a seamless way. Let's jump right in and go through the process step by step. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams and make sure to log into your account. It's important that you have the necessary permissions to add and configure apps within your team, so make sure those are in place before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Apps. This will allow you to access the Microsoft Teams App Store, where you can find various applications to enhance your collaboration and productivity. In the search bar at the top, type in Lists. This search will bring up the Microsoft Lists app, which is exactly what we're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the app to open its details page. Here you'll see an option to add it to Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and click on Add. With the Lists app added, you'll need to choose the channel where you want the list to be available. Selecting the appropriate channel ensures that everyone in that channel can access and collaborate on the lists you create. After you've selected your desired channel, click on the Go button to proceed. This step will integrate the Lists app into your chosen channel, allowing all team members to access it. Next up is a quick configuration step. Click on Save to finalize adding the Lists app to your channel. This saves the changes and updates your team's environment to include the list functionality. Once that's done, you'll see an option to Create New. This is where you can start setting up your first list by clicking on it. A window will open, giving you the ability to create. Here you can begin categorizing items, setting up tracking, assigning tasks, and more, all tailored to your team's unique needs. You'll see a prompt to enter the title for your list. Choose a title that clearly conveys the purpose of the list you're about to create. Once you've input your title, click on Create to generate your list. With the list now created, you can customize it further by adding columns. Columns can represent different types of fields such as text, numbers, dates, etc., and you can format them to suit the kind of data you need to capture. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Microsoft list within your Microsoft Teams environment. This tool will not only help you keep everything organized, but also foster effective collaboration amongst your team members. Go ahead and start exploring all the features and customization options available to maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy listing!